Phoenix, Arizona. This is blizzardly cold. And I'm making a statement here about Alexandra Deschelle. She's running for mayor this term. She's a phenomenal woman. She knows how to get things done. She's very smart and savvy. And she's very experienced at what she does and what she knows about the community. She can build the community up. She can help you on all kinds of levels that everyone can enjoy and be a part of society and live happily. That's why this coming term, Phoenix, Arizona, get real and vote for she. Blizzard Code. Vote for she.